It's a great recognition, as we say that it's a gathering of influential people like who have been leading businesses, visionary leaders, policymakers. At every step forward, there would be uncertainties, which is very unpredictable in the Indian market scenario. So to tackle that, we need conviction, courage, and quick implementation skills.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bharat 2.0 Conclave. Here I have Dr. Nayana Sivraj with us, who is the founder of Vanora Organics. Okay, hello ma'am.
Hi.
Good morning. How you have been?
Yes,
Are you
it's a
enjoying
wonderful
the-
start.
How was the dance?
Excellent.
Yes, she's enjoying.
Quite. We were in between startled to see
Yes.
the somersaults.
Yes, and now our audience, they are quite eager to know these answers from you. So how do platforms like Bharat 2.0 Conclave help amplify the impact you're trying to create as a leader?
Of course, it's a great recognition, as we say that it's a gathering of influential people like who have been leading businesses, visionary leaders, policymakers, and so this to be a part of this gathering is an excellent achievement for our brand. And also I thank Bharat 2.0 organizers for considering Vanora Organics for this excellent.
Yes, we are really honored to have you here. And how do you think this nomination will motivate or inspire the team working with you? You have been nominated for the award. How do you think the legacy you are leaving behind as a leader for your teammates, for your aspiring industry leaders?
Yes. This is just a beginning. I would say it has been a 6-year journey.
Humble of you.
Yeah, it's a 6-year journey of Vanora Organics, and we have a step towards exploring global markets as well. So, as a co-founder of Vanora Organics, our team will be really confident, and they will take pride that their company is being part of Bharat 2.0 Conclave, and this is a recognition and to their efforts, from the tiny efforts to the humongous efforts they are going to make in the future.
True, very true. And what is the most critical leadership lesson you learned while scaling your business in India?
In India, we all know it's a land of diversities, and also I would say uncertainties. At every step forward, there would be uncertainties, which is very unpredictable in the Indian market scenario. So to tackle that, we need conviction, courage, and quick implementation skills.
True.
So this is the leadership lesson I learned to take decisions, because there are no playbook, like a reference point for the problems that can come in front of you. So to tackle that needs conviction and courage and sudden action.
That's really nice of you. Now let's get started with the rapid fire round. Okay, you have to be very quick and just one-liner answers. That will be really great. A book every Indian CEO or leader must have on their desk.
There are so many books, but at this point I feel that Bhagavad Gita, because when I can quote karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala hedurbhur ma stotoi. So it means that we don't need to attach the results of the action.
Right.
As a leader, we should take actions with conviction, and we have a goal in front, but it's not very sure that we will achieve that particular goal. But to work towards that goal in the rightest manner, and also fearing a certain result, not doing action is also not. So inaction, attachment from inaction, and
It's okay. If you had to write a tagline for Bharat 2.0, what would it be?
fueling minds for a developed Vikasit Bharat.
The biggest distraction for leaders today in one word.
Overflooding of information.
Right. A habit you broke to become a better leader.
Too much emotional attachment to certain incidents, certain people in front. To have a to discover different levels of diplomacy.
Okay, now let's get started with the last round as a ball round, okay?
Yeah.
Just pick one ball from it and you have to give answer to that question.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. One word that defines your personal leadership style.
Smart work and quick implementation.
Okay, give it to me. Yes. Pick another.
If you had to describe your daily life in just 3 words, what are they?
Come on, come on, come on.
Dealing with uncertainties in the most intelligent manner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very pleasure
Ah.
to talk to you.